threatens constitutional order. Among all allegations before this court, none strikes more directly at the heart of constitutional order than this one. Ito na po ang pinakamatindi. And unlike in many cases, which depends upon competing accounts, this evidence comes substantially from the respondent's own recorded public statements. The court will see them. The court will hear them. The court will judge them. Public officials may disagree. We may criticize one another. They may compete fiercely for power. That is democracy. But democracy ends when violence begins. Sa kasaysayan ng ating republika, walang vice-presidente na may kaibigan na hitman. Ngayon lang. Walang vice-presidente na nagpapapatay ng Pangulo. Ngayon lang. Walang vice-presidente na handang magpapatay para lamang makaupo sa pwesto. Ngayon lang. The Constitution provides